What if I told you there's a bird that can talk better than your group chat? And probably debate better too. Meet the African gray parrot.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Oh, yes.
How are you?
Basically the genius of the bird world. This isn't just a Polly want a cracker situation. African grays can learn over 1,000 words, and the crazy part is they don't just mimic sounds, they actually understand context. Scientists famously studied a parrot named Alex, who could identify colors, shapes, numbers, and even grasp the concept of zero. Meanwhile, some of us still struggle to remember passwords. These birds can answer questions, make requests, and combine words in ways that make sense. Imagine a bird looking at you and saying, "Nice haircut," and actually meaning it. That's not copying, that's observation. In the wild, their intelligence helps them solve problems and recognize danger, but in your house, they might just sit there quietly judging your vocabulary. So, next time you think humans are the smartest species in the room, remember, there might be a gray-feathered genius listening to everything you say.